Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable AI content on Pinterest. If you don't want to be seeing AI content on Pinterest and you want to turn it off, in this video I'm going to show you how to get AI content away from your recommendations. This is what you have to do. Open the Pinterest app, click on Saved and navigate to your settings. Now click on Refine your recommendations. Go to AI content tab. You have to turn all these things off. From now on, you won't get any AI content in your recommendations. Now just go to Home and refresh. All the AI content will be removed from your recommendations. So that's how you remove AI content on Pinterest. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.